Okay, so you were telling me that your favorite music, like what is some of your favorite music?
Wow, I like a lot, but most of the country music from Alabama that I know most of the star that sing those kind of songs.
Like who?
Like Valley Nelson, Waylon Jennings, Christopher, Merle Haggard, George Strait, and
great.
why this kind of music so attraction on my mind? And those kind of words I could not pronounce because of the English by American English. Till in 2011 when I start to work, I search by myself. I find the Alan Jackson.
Okay.
Alan Jackson, he sing the song of Remember When, make me attraction too much. Remember When.
Remember when?
Yeah, and Grace.
Yeah, and you said that, you know, kind of the music,
Yeah.
it's universal language.
Yeah, of course.
Everybody understands.
Of
Even
course.
villagers in Cambodia
Yeah,
can
yeah,
relate to
yeah.
the message.
Of
Yeah.
course, that is the message for the world, from heart to heart, connecting each other. And some song I'm crying. Sorry for
Yeah,
that.
sure, sure.
I'm really crying. Like Waylon Nelson, he sing the song, thanks to all the girls I love.
With Julio.
Yeah, with Julio Iglesias. A wonderful song.
Yeah.
And the meaning inside, of course, all the men should not make women cry. And I am a small guy and local guy here, but I have big heart after I'm listening that song.
Yeah.
That's why I said I should be listening again and again and much more. And of course, I'm become a fan of country music. And I try to search more who is the best song of the world.
Yeah.
They point to us, Johnny Cash, Waylon Nelson, Merle Haggard,
Waylon Jennings,
yeah.
all those guys.
Yeah, all of the groups. I know from Randy Travis, I know much more.
Yeah.
And like Alan Jackson, most of the song from him and his outfit, wow, it's amazing.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, like Chattahoochee from Alan Jackson
Yeah,
is
yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
And
I think people in America would be very surprised to know that so many people here in Southeast Asia, so many
Yeah.
people in Cambodia, they love it.
Yeah.
They love country music.
of course, and I meet all of them when they reach here, recommended by Mr. Cowboy, and they asking me and they know, oh, I know that, and then they surprised too. Why you a local guy, you know that song? I know it because when I'm start to work with tourists, after I'm finished my education, and in some cafe, restaurant, they make a lot of music for
Yeah.
attraction, and inside of those attraction and catch me on.
But I think a lot of the country music songs are about living on a farm
Yeah.
without much money
Yes,
and
of course.
struggles and losing love.
Telling us
and-
about
yeah.
nature.
So, and that's something-
Life.
that's a message that
Yeah.
everybody in the world
Yeah,
can understand.
It's not because of rich and poor. It's because of life softly on this earth, and it's open every society, every people in the world. Yes.
Yeah.
And even we are different country, different culture, but softly message
Yeah.
connecting us. This is the word that I want to say.
Yeah. That's awesome.
And especially for me, young generation, is grow my opportunities. Some word that I could not understand because of the song, like expression, but
And
I
then you
tried.
learn the meaning. You
Yeah, I
learn the
learned the
meaning
meaning.
of the words.
I learned. It's improved my opportunity.
Yeah. Love you,
Thank
buddy.
you.